Welcome back to Mini Toy Breaks. In this episode we're going to break 2 boxes of Marvel Munnyworld zipper pulls. You can see there's a neat cast of characters in here in these little tiny boxes. Who's there? These guys: Punisher, Scarlet Spider, Hulk, Magneto, Thanos, Wolverine, War Machine, Cyclops, Silver Surfer, and Carnage. And if these guys are half as cute as they are on the boxes, they are fabulous. So let's get in there. You can put Marvel Munnyworld zipper pulls on your favorite bag, jacket, or sweatshirt. Use them as keychains. Do anything you want with Munnyworld. Let's get in there. Kidrobot makes these. Another fine toy company. I don't know if any of these are either a bit harder to get than others. Seems weird that be no chase figures. Maybe there is, and maybe they just haven't told anybody. Some fancy packages. Ooh, these are really small. Here we go. We have got that guy. Is that Cyclops? Of course it is. What am I thinking? This is awesome. It's very tiny. It's almost the same size as the Cyclops on the box. Yeah, this is going right on my book bag along with whoever's in this box. Marvel Munnyworld. Gotta get me some more of these. Gotta get me some more money in my world first, though. Hopefully it's not Cyclops. And bango, we got 2 Cyclopses. It's too bad. I was hoping for 2 different ones. I should have taken them from different parts of the box. But what can you do? These are awesome. Now I've got a trader to give away already. So thanks for watching Mini Toy Breaks, and I will see you next time. Jump, 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 jump.